Kitchen Magic presents real customers, real stories, real magic. In as little as a week, Kitchen Magic can turn your kitchen into a showplace you'll be proud of.
It was always something I wanted done. I just had this idea, like it was our 30th year anniversary. I said to Rob,
we need a new kitchen.
We need a new kitchen. And then he was like, okay. So got the ball rolling. I had a vision in my head of what I would like my kitchen to look like, and it turned out, honestly, and I'm not just saying this, it turned out better than I could have ever pictured in my own head.
And it was quick too.
Yeah.
You know, we only dealt with it out of kitchen for, what, a week?
Yeah.
More like a week and a half, and we were back to normal, you know?
But they kept us informed. Not only did they verbalize that to us, like they sent us an email, and like they had us, like there was a video you could watch on what to expect.
I think they did an excellent job. It was just phenomenal, the guys. A couple days, they were in and out of here.
It was 4 days.
Yeah.
It was very clean. They put plastic up, cleaned up every day.
I mean, I've been in the construction field 40 years, and I've seen, you know, a lot of it, but I haven't seen finished carpentry as far as the trim work and all that.
Yeah.
You know, they did a fabulous job.
We were thinking like at one point, like maybe just painting our cabinets, but it wasn't as simple as just being able to paint your cabinets to make them look good.
And we had good quality wood cabinets, so the refacing was ideal.
Right. It's just that they were
Outdated.
Very
From
outdated.
the early 80s. It was the original kitchen, so.
And very dark. Everything was just very dark. So it's actually like a pleasure cooking in the kitchen. I actually had empty cabinets for the first time because I have so much storage space now. Yeah. I was like, am I missing something? But it was just because I have so much storage now. I think if you have good bones already and you just need an update, you need a facelift, Kitchen Magic is definitely the way to go. Because time-wise, you could literally have a kitchen completely transformed in less than 2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks.
Really.
Yeah.
This is my dream kitchen. It's my vacation every day.
Every day.
Coming in here. Yep.
Thinking of remodeling your kitchen? Let the magic begin. Kitchen Magic. Our name says it all.